How to see response on Sendit Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can see responses on Sendit Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So if you have added your Sendit to your Snapchat story like this, and if you want to see the response for this Sendit, what you'll need to do is you'll need to head over to your Sendit app. So first locate your Sendit app and then open it up. Now, after you open it up, you should find an option that says inbox on the bottom. Tap on inbox and there you will see this button. Tap on it and there we go. Now that is how you can see the responses, and after you see the responses you can actually tap on the reveal button, but that will take you a bit of money, or you can just watch the ad. And that's basically how you can see your responses of Sendit on Snapchat. And that is basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and also don't forget to like the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.